Have you ever worried that someone could steal your identity and open credit cards, loans, or even mortgages in your name? It sounds terrifying, but it happens every single day. The good news is, there's a simple, free, and powerful tool to protect yourself from this nightmare. It's called a credit freeze. And today, I will walk you through exactly how to freeze your credit report step by step so you can stop identity thieves in their tracks. Hey everyone, welcome back to RichMap, the channel where we simplify personal finance and credit tips to help you make smarter money moves. If you want to protect your financial future and learn how to manage your credit like a pro, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. Now, let's dive right into how to freeze your credit the right way. Before we jump into the steps, let's understand what a credit freeze actually is. When you freeze your credit, you're basically locking your credit file with all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That means lenders, credit card companies, or anyone trying to check your credit cannot access it. So if a scammer tries to open a loan in your name, they will be stopped because your report is locked tight. But don't worry, a credit freeze does not affect your existing credit accounts, your credit score, or your ability to use your credit cards. You can still pay bills, apply for jobs, rent an apartment, or even check your own credit score. The only difference is that new creditors can't open accounts under your name without your permission. It's basically like putting a digital lock on your financial front door. Alright, now let's go step by step on how to freeze your credit with all three bureaus. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your personal details ready: your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and any previous addresses if you have moved recently. You might also need a copy of your ID or utility bill if the bureau asks to verify your identity. Step 2. Go to each bureau's website. You will need to freeze your credit separately with all three agencies. It's free and usually takes just a few minutes per site. Start with Equifax. Go to www.equifax.com, personal credit-report-services/credit-freeze/ and click on Place or Manage a Freeze. You'll either create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts, verify your identity, and confirm your freeze. Equifax will send you a PIN or password keep that's safe because you will need it to lift or thaw your freeze later. Next, visit Experian at www.experian.com. Freeze Center. HTML click on Freeze My Credit. Experian's process is similar. You will confirm your details, verify your identity, and set a PIN or password. Finally, go to TransUnion at www.transunion.com, credit-freeze. Create or log into your account, then follow the same process. Within minutes, your TransUnion credit file will also be locked down. Congratulations! Once you've done all three, your credit is officially frozen. Now, you might be wondering, how do I lift or thaw my freeze if I actually want to apply for credit later? Great question. Let's move to step 3. Learning how to temporarily lift your freeze. Whenever you apply for a new credit card, car loan, or mortgage, the lender will need to check your credit. So, before applying, log into each bureau's website and choose the lift freeze option. You can either lift it for a specific creditor or for a set number of days, like 1 week or 1 month. After that, it automatically It's super convenient and keeps your protection in place. Step 4. Freeze your credit for your family members too. If you are a parent, you can also freeze credit reports for your kids under 16. Why? Because identity thieves often target children's social security numbers. They know parents rarely check them. Freezing your child's credit ensures no one can open fraudulent accounts using their identity. ULL just need to mail in some documents like their birth certificate and your ID for verification. Step 5. Keep your PINs and passwords safe. Each bureau will give you a unique PIN or password to manage your freeze. Store these somewhere secure. Don't just screenshot them and forget. Without them, you'll have a hard time lifting your freeze later. Consider using a password manager or writing them down and keeping them in a safe place. Step 6. Stay alert. Even with a freeze. A credit freeze is one of the strongest identity protection tools available. It not a magic shield. You should still monitor your existing credit card statements and bank accounts regularly. Watch for unusual activity like small unauthorized charges. They can be a sign of larger fraud attempts. Also, consider using a free credit monitoring service to get alerts if there's any suspicious activity. Now, let's address a common question. What's the difference between a credit freeze and a credit lock? A credit lock is similar, but it's a service offered by credit bureaus that you can toggle on and off easily from an app. However, most locks are part of paid services. A freeze, on the other hand, is a legal right under federal law and it's completely free. It gives you the same protection, just through the official process. So, if you want a no-cost way to secure your credit, a freeze is the smarter choice. So why should you freeze your credit today? Because the reality is data breaches are happening all the time. Even major companies like banks, hospitals, and retailers have been hacked. You can't control whether your personal data leaks online, but you can control how much damage it causes. A credit freeze makes your information useless to identity thieves. Think of it this way. It's like locking your front door before you leave the house. It only takes a few minutes, but it could save you months of stress, phone calls, and financial headaches down the road. Alright, before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. To freeze your credit report, you need to gather your personal details. Go to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion websites. Place your freeze with each bureau. It's 100% free. Keep your PINs safe. Temporarily lift your freeze when applying for new credit. Stay alert and monitor your accounts. It's 6 easy steps to lock down your credit report and protect your financial future. And there you go. Now, you know exactly how to freeze your credit report step by step. Don't wait for a fraud to happen. Take action today. It's fast, free, and could save you thousands of dollars in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might need this info. Drop a comment below if you've already frozen your credit or if you have any questions about the process. I would love to help. Thanks for watching Rich Map, where smart money decisions lead to a richer future. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep mapping your way to financial success.